Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won.
Day 1.
Say Typhoon Lagoon.
Typhoon Lagoon, that's what we decided on?
Yeah.
What about the blizzard one?
Blizzard, I lied. Blizzard.
Because the blizzard one is like Elsa, right?
No, it's just winter.
Oh, well then I don't know. So can you explain the parks, the difference?
No.
So we decided to go to the water park today, and I've never been to a Disney water park. I haven't been to a water park in forever. Bria and Sean, none of us have, right? Well, you said you have?
Yeah.
When? When you were little?
Yeah, when I came, yeah. When I was a kid.
Because they didn't have it when I was little.
No.
No. When you're older.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, so we looked at the weather, right? And it's gonna rain on and off.
It shows lightning storms for the rest of the week.
Lightning storms for the rest of the week. So we decided to do the water park today. That way it won't be raining while we're in a water park with lightning and all. So we'll do like Disney World and all that tomorrow and the coming days. And I don't think they shut down the park when it rains because I see everybody wear like ponchos and they have umbrellas and all that. So we can probably still go on rides and things. What?
Well, we have to go to the park, the rain won't get me in the door.
When you're what?
Yeah, under the door, they won't.
No, the rain won't get you under the water. So I'm super excited. We will try to take, I don't know, we'll try to take videos when we're there, but I have been just enjoying the moment and kind of forgetting, but I will try. I have my GoPro here, so it will be less, what's the word I'm looking for? Less noticeable if I'm filming with this, I guess, but I do need a charger for it, so I can't get too much, but yeah, we're super excited, right?
Yes, we are.
Okay, we'll be there soon.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky.
Oh yeah, I got this new cute bag from Amazon. I thought it would be bigger, but it kind of reminds me of the Aaron Williams diaper bag, so it's pretty big. Got a lot of stuff in there, but yeah, I like it.
That ride wasn't bad to get in.
Huh?
So that ride wasn't bad to get in.
No, not at all. There's all the Disney buses.
There's the Blizzard Beach, next left, Mama.
Blizzard Beach. Woohoo! You excited? You got your new bathing suit on, looking cute. I just wish you'd let me put your hair up. Daddy likes it down, so she won't let me put it up, but...
No, she said, can I wear it down? I said, you can do whatever you want.
Here we are! Blizzard Beach. I'm so excited, I can't contain myself.
Closes at 8.
Closes at 8. Typhoon Lagoon, Winter Summerland, Miniature Golf, Fantasia Golf. I don't want to go golfing. Oh, look at the slide. I see a big water slide. Oh my God, I could not go down that. Look at how big that is. Holy crap, I would have no clothes on by the end of that. Larina's in her new car seat that Daddy brought. For those of you that were telling me I needed to get a bigger car seat, we finally have it.
Mama, just like my bathing suit then.
Yeah, we gotta show them your pretty bathing suit we got on Amazon that I can link in the description if you guys want to get it. Larina has a cute watermelon one on that kind that matches Bria's, but Bria's is so cute. It's like a tutu. So I'll link those if you guys want. Let's see. All my gears from Walmart, so I don't think actually I do have Walmart. I am an affiliate with Walmart, so I can link Walmart stuff, but
Right where? I don't see no parking spot. I got Kohl's here.
you're in Kohl's.
Yeah.
Daddy's in Kohl's. Ooh, his shirt matches his shorts. That never happens. Good job, Daddy. And I actually like the shorts and the shirt a lot.
Now you're gonna take this one off when we get in.
And I'm wearing my Guess flip-flops. We gotta take a bus, an actual bus.
I think we can just walk there. That's just bus stops.
Oh. Oh my God, did we bring water?
I got 2.
Okay. Where are we gonna eat our lunch? Can we bring our lunch in there?
Yeah.
River Beach. Okay, we got our tickets. Super cute.
See if they have a map in there.
Sure. Ooh, I want the jasmine towel. Ooh, cute.
Alright. Let's go up there. I can't see up there.
You can't see? No. I don't want to go out in the sun.
Well, then I can't see anyway.
Oh, we just came in the entrance.
So we're right here right now.
Okay.
We'll try to get up in here somewhere. The lazy river's there, the big wave pool.
Ooh, yay.
So we'll go there.
Okay.
Alright, we're on our way, Bri. We're just trying to see where we gotta go. Hey, you wanna look at the map?
Hold it.
Hold it. It's all the rides. Watch your sister's face, though. Yeah, one second. Hold it like that. We're gonna go see the big pool. We're gonna go right there right now. Find some seats, offload our gear.
Woohoo!
You see it straight ahead?
See it up in the sky, Bri?
Big ski luge.
You want to go in there? Look how much fun it looks like. Yeah, you can swim. You gotta stay on your tube. Maybe you and Daddy can share a tube. You go to what other one?
The big pool right in
Yeah,
front of us.
the wave pool. Wow, look at the wave pool. Oh, there's sand.
Yeah, we gotta find some chairs and just scoop them up.
Scoop up some chairs. Oh, look at the wave pool, guys. What did you say?
Welcome back to our channel.
Yay! Can you say hi, Larina? Yay, good girl. So we just got out of the, what was it? The wave pool? Or no, the lazy river.
Yeah.
And the wave pool, huh? What'd you think of the wave pool? With the waves, like the ocean.
Too rough.
Too rough?
Right?
Yeah, it was a bit too rough. What'd you think of the lazy river?
Good.
Good, you liked it? So I think we're gonna get some drinks and then we're going to walk over to like this baby park that has like, I don't know, park, it's like a little water park, probably has slides and all that. So yeah, that's our update. It's hard to film because I can't just like leave the camera out somewhere and go do our own thing. So we'll check in with you guys later. We also had some Uncrustables. They were nice and cold still. So we got to have a little bit of a lunch and yeah. Now the girls are drinking some juice and some milk. Yeah, we're just chilling. Looking at the map, huh?
There's a lot of pockets.
Yeah. We are right next to this little bar thing. Luckily we're in the shade. It's pretty cute. We're having fun, huh? You having fun?
Yeah, I'm just trying to build my process.
You're
Like,
trying to build something?
yeah, like a house.
Oh yeah, and that's her bathing suit. Do a spin. Super cute.
Let's just get songs for them.
Yeah, you need water to build stuff. Larina's gonna fall asleep. Hi, Larina. Larina, are you gonna fall asleep? Yeah.
She's got to put all the stuff there.
Super cute.
Let me just get all the things.
Song again. All is merry and bright. Santa Claus comes.
Now you could be able to try to make it together. Cheers. Bria won. What are you doing?
Mama, I will put the macaroni.
Yeah. Macaroni and cheese. Yeah.
Oh, we got some crayons.
I will put this one.
That's what you getting? What is that?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. Oh, yummy. Yeah, we got milk coming for you.
No, it doesn't take orders.
Oh, it shouldn't take. Oh.
So we are really hungry and thirsty
You guys already paid
and
someone to
tired.
do is not letting me come back. So I can take it
Just
off.
gonna open and check in with you guys after.
Tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap, tap. Mama. Thank you. Oh.
Mama, you get a mozzarella stick? Take a bite. Did you miss it? Did you lose? Aw, shucks.
Tough Daddy can't even do it. Yeah, it's like tomato sauce. Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
Shrimp.
Want some more?
There's hair hanging off my camera.
You want some more? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, the first round. Because we were up by 5.
Woohoo, Daddy's looks good. Move your arm.
Needs more mushrooms though, getting topped off. I asked her if she wanted more. She goes, yeah.
Is that good, Larina?
Want
She
more?
likes it. Good? You like the mozzarella sticks?
More?
Or you just eat the
Potatoes.
ketchup?
Mashed
Daddy,
potatoes.
Daddy just has to cut it.
Took him back down.
You don't need to cut it.
No, you just bite into it.
You're...
I just want to cut it.
Okay, I'll cut it. Yeah. This one's easy to
Well,
get.
do you like Applebee's? Is Applebee's good? Do you like eating there? Yeah? What'd you say?
But I like it.
Yeah, it's way easier. I don't think I've done it once since being here, though. We've done it every time.
Oh, your powers are so strong. You froze me.
You like Larina's new car seat? Fancy. She's so happy. Look at her. Look at that face. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, where's Larina? Peekaboo. Oh my goodness. Don't watch out, Bria. Here we are. Florida's Publix supermarket. Here we come. We need a Daddy's Italian chicken. What else?
Pork chops. You got ketchup, right?
Wait, did you see if they have a girl?
Yeah.
No, we didn't get ketchup. No.
Nice.
Ooh. Look at all this Disney stuff. She likes what she sees. You don't have Pluto? You don't, that's right. Oh, I like that hat. That Mickey hat, yeah. That's so cute.
Sister needs something.
Oh, I want that hat really bad.
Which one does sister get?
Look at those shades.
Sure. I think she'll like
These the same? They're the same, right?
Yeah.
They look a little different. Pretty much, oh, they fit better. Oh.
Let it go.
Ready? Go! Clap your hands! What?
What is this?
Billie Eilish.
How does she still have so much energy? Both of them. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
They like music. We rock out in the car. Huh? Don't we always dance in the car? Don't we always dance in the car? No? You don't know?
Pretty glad that you're alone. You said she's scared of me. I mean, I
Let's see what she sees, but maybe it's cause I'm wearing your cologne.
What?
I'm supposed to sit like this.
Yeah?
Like a triangle.
Yeah. Of course, it's nighttime again, so I can't even show on
Watch out.
camera what it looks like.
Beep, beep.
So we got more food. We got a full fridge, some watermelon, huh? We had a good dinner. We're done shopping. We got some soup. We got some yogurt. Some
Yum, yummy, yummy,
Oh, you
yummy,
didn't put the ice cream in yet? What are you
Where's the
doing?
ice
I got Daddy. I got some Mickey True
Listen.
Original.
cream? That's secret ice cream that I know about.
You knew about it. Yeah, put the grapes away.
yum, yum,
The grapes,
yum,
blueberries,
yum, yum,
watermelon,
yummy, yummy in your tummy, right?
spinach.
Apple juice sounds yummy, yummy in your tummy. It's like snacks.
Put the Pedialyte in the freezer.
Mom, this is like snacks.
Yeah, it is. It's a nice healthy snack.
We've got
It
bananas.
doesn't get any sugar in it.
It's got natural sugar, which is good for you. Can you bring the Pepsi cans over, please? The cans.
So is this old?
Yeah, it's warm and old. That's from. Yep, pick it up. Yep, in the middle. You ready? Your sister can pick them up.
Make her feel bad. Oh, my favorite. Oh my god. Oh, shrimp. It's gonna be my lunch every day.
The meats. I
Mama,
gotta marinate the chicken. Fine.
I'm gonna get it for him. Are you gonna get the Pepsi for Daddy? Good girl.
Yeah.
No, let her do it. Let her do it. Look it, Brie. She's able to do it.
Oh boy, look how strong you are.
She's determined.
Thank you.
I want to, right, Daddy?
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, you come
Can you
hold
carry
it.
the Pepsis too, Brie? Brie, if Larina can do it, you can.
There you go. You just didn't know how to pick them up at first. Good job. Thank you.
Good girl, Brie. You're strong. High five.
My two strong
High
girls.
five. Yeah.
Larina.
High five.
Good job.
Woohoo.
Yeah.
Daddy, this
Another
Mama,
one.
and
Yeah.
Daddy, cheese.
Yeah. Woohoo.
The
You
TV's
go,
not
girl.
working?
No.
I love you.
Well, we'll figure it out. Oh, careful.
Bread and butter.
Daddy, Mama, I found some washing machines.
You found the wash machine and the dryer?
We have washing machines?
Yeah, we're gonna have to wash the towels and clothes that we got.
No way.
Thank you.
You found that? How did you find this? This is like gold.
I opened the door that the sales stores were empty.
Yeah, good job. Hi guys. So after we put away the groceries, we didn't. Sean gave the girls a bath. And, well, actually, yeah, he gave them a bath. I laid down because I got like the worst stomach ache ever. So I laid down. I kind of fell asleep, not really, but yeah, he got them ready for bed, and Larina went right to sleep, but Bria's still awake. It's probably like 12:30 right now. We both took showers, him and I. My hair's like pretty much dry now. It's been so long. But I am just getting ready to go to sleep. I'm watching The Hunchback of Notre Dame and trying to keep an eye on Bria and listening out for Bria. I went in there and had to like lay with her. And I think she's just so excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna go to the Magic Kingdom. So I'm super pumped for her about that. So yeah, I just wanted to say goodnight and end this vlog here. And tomorrow I'm going to vlog what the house looks like in the morning and how you can see the lake outside by the pool, and like the house just looks so different in the morning. So plan on sharing that with you guys, and also calling my friend Brittany and showing her the house because she hasn't seen it yet. And yeah, and then tomorrow's vlog will be the Magic Kingdom and all of that. So super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed our little vacation so far. I know I didn't get to show much, but it is what it is. Kind of living in the moment right now. It's really nice, and we're having a really good time. Applebee's was really nice. Shopping at Publix was good. We got what we needed. It wasn't packed like it was at Walmart. So yeah, the only thing I didn't show you guys last night was us going in the hot tub. We went in the hot tub, and oh my god, the hot tub is amazing. Like, I love that thing. We were gonna go in it tonight, but it was taking too long to heat up, and I just wanted to get clean so bad. So Hunchback's back on. So good night, you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it and can't wait to see more. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you get an alert when I post the rest of the week's videos. A lot's gonna happen. We got his mom coming and his nephew, and then we're gonna go see my dad, and just lots happening. So stay tuned.